So I literally can't right now. Like, I literally can't. All right. I don't know if anybody else gets this excited because I don't see many people share it, but I was too excited not to share it. Holy freaking crap. I got offered my first code today. Oh my god. I know, like, cue the glitter cannon. Pew pew pew. Right? Like, whew. Now, there's only one really fitting thing on this channel for my first coupon code to be. And if you're new here, it's okay if you don't know, but if you're not new here, the first thing that better have come to your mind is frickin' glitter. Not just regular glitter, frickin' glitter. I did my August favorites not that long ago, last week, Monday, I think it even went up, maybe Sunday. But I showed you this lovely purchase that I made, which is a customizable 12 pan palette from Glitter Explosions. And essentially all you do, this is not, honestly, you watch videos and are like, this isn't sponsored. It's really not. I'm just too freaking excited showing you my product, because I was going to show you my product anyways, but then this happened today. It literally happened today, like less than 12 hours ago. So bear with me. This is one of those really like impromptu videos that I'm just so freaking excited for. But anyways, 12 pan custom glitter palette, and you pick which shades you want. They have like a big picture, and you can either pick it by number or you can pick it by like the title of the glitter itself, and then they send it to you each pen individually and you put it in here however the heck you want. So, shameless self promo, I have been on Instagram, freethetomatoes, basically showcasing my palette ever since I got it last month. So the first picture I ever posted actually was all 12 shades, just being like, oh my god, look at the freaking glitter palette, it's so beautiful. And then the past month I have been spending, I would pick one shade and I would focus it in a couple of pictures, just focusing on the shade itself, and then the next picture I would use it in a look. And that's how I've been kind of going through it, and it was my way of also kind of like testing out the different ones, because there's 12 of them. You have to play with them. You can't just mash it all together all at once. You gotta like enjoy each one individually to see which one it would pair well with, right? And then cover yourself all entirely in that shit, right? So we're up to Lagoon, which is this very pretty blue shade here. And I was talking with Glitter Explosions in like Instagram messaging and whatnot, and they said today that I have been supporting them a lot and they wanted to give me my own unique code. Holy freaking crap. I was just honestly showcasing each one because I freaking love glitter. No surprise there. But I've been squealing like a freaking schoolgirl. You can ask Charisse, because Charisse has gotten multiple Snapchats already of me just being like, right? Anyways. You can also customize yourself your own 12 pan palette with the code freethetomatoes for 10% off. Or you don't even have to do a palette, it's just Glitter Explosions. 10% off using the code freethetomatoes. Holy freaking crap. I have a code, and not just a code, it's a freaking glitter code. Oh my god. Oh my god. So exciting. I know, it took me 4 minutes to really get this out to you, but that's okay, because we're really freaking excited. And I thought, if there's one thing you're going to be disappointed, I'm getting all super red and like glowy. Anyways, if there's one thing you're going to be disappointed with, it's the fact that I've talked about glitter cannons on this channel, you know, quite a while now. It's going to happen one day. Today's not that day. Cue the disappointment. If I knew how to do sound effects on YouTube, it would have one of those sound effects right now. But I have second best. I have the second best thing. It's a homemade, personalized glitter explosion. Glitter explosion for the glitter explosions go. Okay, just for my own health and safety, John, I'm sorry. I know you told me not to do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. And this is to everybody. Thank you for encouraging my channel, for encouraging me to always play with shit, because oh my god, we got to this point. So here, cheers to Free the Tomatoes for 10% off at Glitter Explosions on whatever the heck you decide to get. If you get anything, please tag me in pictures because I freaking love glitter and I love seeing people post pictures with glitter. Just like you, Kana, I saw your glitter freckles today and they are so freaking cute. But second best thing to a glitter canyon, oh, that would be good. Second best thing to a glitter cannon though, we'll work on the canyon later. Here we go.